Fuck yeah.
Are you trying to be a model?
Well, model every day.
You fag.
I want to ride my bicycle.
Wait for the sucker. Let's look at this motherfucker with this spandex. What is this? 1980s fucking X-Men with their spandex? Oh, he's doing it. Whoa! Yep, yep. Wear your helmet, stay hydrated. Yep.
Stay hydrated. How's it going? Welcome back to Clutch Kick Junkies. Extreme close-ups.
Papa Willie! So I'm gonna fucking run this GTR down. All 140 kilowatts. So this is what 500 horsepower feels like. Ready, boys?
There's a big bump here.
Yeah, there is. Yep. Oh, shit.
Unsafe words panhandles. Oh, those are my quarters. Hey, you know how long it took me to acquire those?
That's my flash drive. Don't look at it unless you want to see a big dick.
Andrew's on the limiter, mate. On the limiter.
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
It's over 9,000. What's up, guys? Decided, getting sick of looking at this ugly mirror. Look at this paint. It's disgusting. So I got a bit carried away when I went to Autobahn to get the product that I need, and I thought, why not go with some caliper paint as well. I think I'll go with some dark gold color because these are looking pretty old and tired. I think it'll look really nice. It'll just make the caliper pop behind the rim there. So let's see how we go. Mate, that is rusting faster than a possum up a fucking gum tree. That looks terrible. Jesus. Maybe we'll get a new door in the future, but that's disappointing. Go grab it. So, this is the progress I've made on the mirror. As you can see, it's not too bad. It's no spray booth job, but it's alright, you know, for a home garage job.
Looks fucking mint though, man.
With this shitty lighting that we have in here. But, yeah.
Where's the lighting? I can't find it. There we go.
I really just can't be fucked doing a proper like sand the coat, you know, then sand it down again, then sand it some more. It's just gonna be the, you know, something you don't really look at that in depth. If I was doing a panel of the car or something, I'd do it properly and take years to do, you know, 50,000 coats and sanding it back and doing it all properly, but it's just a mirror, so I think it'll be alright.
This should be alright. Looks fucking good though, man.
So,
no diss on that.
Just working on the door handle as well. Got it back to bare metal. So I'm looking pretty fucked at the moment, to be honest, but we'll get there.
You'll get there with some paint.
Yeah. So we're gonna smack it, attack it with the Dremel, or in my case the Azito.
Sponsor us, please.
Get some detail sanding inside the crevices, in the orifices and little nooks and crannies.
You want to get that door handle nice and fresh for mine.
Nice and fresh like you hear.
Alright.
So that's progress we've made.
I heard that, Cletus.
Thank you.
Having a bit of a toss, mate.
Shake weight.
The shake weight.
Shake weight.
Bring back the shake weight, alright? I'm not having a wank on the train, I'm getting fit. I'm gonna be clear.
I'm a true you're a true
Aussie glue, mate.
in the high vis today, guys.
It's funny how we both said the same thing.
Same time.
Same time.
That's why we're destined to be the
Sick
junkies forever.
KJs synchronized. So yeah, you're going to be clear coating that shit over there, the side mirror. It's going to make it really pop out. Fuck yeah. That's how we do it. The intensity.
It's looking glossy.
Nice job, mate.
Looking glossy.
Bloody ripper, mate. Fucking g'day, can't. Fucking clear coating me side mirror.
Getting fucking stoned here.
Fuck yeah, man, getting fucking high for free. I didn't pay for that shit. You did, cunt.
Hey.
Someone called us on our comment, the... Fuck, what was that TV show called? It's like, no, fuck you, the Big Les show. They reckon we sound like the Big Les, because he's from America, so when they listen to us, they think we sound like the Big Les. Oh, fuck off, cunt. Give me a fucking ciggy, bras. Fuck off, bro. I'll smash you. Fuck, I'm getting ripped too, man. Yeah, dude. He's just gone for a... That's fantastic, get my car dirty. He's just gone up for a warm-up, he's going to do a bit of a screamer for you guys. Enjoy.